Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Fashion Glam. Today we are showing you very beautiful and stylish businesswomen's and workwomen's formal wear bodycon slim fit pencil sheet dresses design ideas and shift dresses design ideas. These are all plaid bodycon dresses collection for women. These are all very stylish and very beautiful dresses collection. These are different types of dressy design ideas. These are long sleeves and scope neck, slim bodycon, dressy design ideas. These are all midi dresses collection and checked print dressy design ideas. Here we are showing you Western women's and Western work women's and business women's formal wear checked print bodycon slim sheet dresses design ideas. In this video you will find different types of checked outfits ideas, so guys, that you can come up with some really cool ideas from our videos. I hope guys that you are going to love this awesome and beautiful collection. I hope that you love this stylish and different types of plaid bodycon slim fit sheet pencil dresses design ideas and tube sheet dresses design ideas. So guys, you will get many more ideas and many suggestions from this video. Just keep on watching this video till the end. You can enjoy our video and designing on our channel. You will find different types of videos, different types of designs and different types of ideas, all types of women's casual wear dresses, formal wear dresses, evening dresses, embroidery dresses, party wear dresses, stylish and beautiful checked print dresses, polka dot print dresses, floral print dresses, plain chiffon dresses, different types of blouse and top design, stylish neck design, sleeve design, trouser design, capri pants design, wide leg pants design, palazzo pants design, all types of cardigans and jackets design, wrap shawls design, stroller design, neck warmer design, different types of long coat design, outerwear design, all types of women's dresses collection on our channel, and different types of crochet work videos, crochet dresses, crochet maxi dresses, crochet blouse and top design ideas, and different types of crochet jewelry collection, crochet jackets and cardigans design ideas. If you like our videos, so please like it and let us know in the comments how you like our videos. And if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe my channel. Be sure to share our videos with your friends and your family members, and you must click on the bell icon so you get notification for every one of our upcoming videos reach you first. And keep up the good content. If you also want to watch any videos related to our videos, want to get any kinds of ideas related to fashion, related to art and craft, related to home decor, any videos you want to watch on our channel, so you will tell us by comments. We will definitely bring it to you. Please remember us in your prayers. We'll take care of himself. We will keep bringing you more beautiful and awesome ideas, awesome videos. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz and goodbye. Take care.